First time taking the Porsche off road. Everything is stuck on it right now. Street tires. So far, so good. Alright, catch up. So we're taking this in the trails. Don't mind the beeping, it's just the sensors in the car. Right now I got it in 4 low, or what's the equivalent of 4 low in this. And for having street tires on it and it's being wet on the ground, it's not doing so bad. I think we found them. Yeah, we made it. I should have recorded the earlier parts, so I can record that when we're leaving.